A very good morning, children. Today you would have seen degrees of comparison in TV, right? Let us revise the same so that you will understand it better. Okay, ma? Look at these pictures. Can you tell what you see in these pictures? What is in the first one? First one is a sparrow. Good. Is that sparrow very big? No, it's a small sparrow. Good. What is in the second picture? It's a family. Are they happy or sad? They are happy. So we can say happy family. What is in the third picture? A butterfly. It's very beautiful, no? So you can say beautiful butterfly. What is in the fourth picture? You see a smart TV, isn't it? Now look at the phrases we have coined. First one is small sparrow, happy family, beautiful butterfly, and smart TV. Okay. In the first picture, sparrow is the noun. Okay. And what is that small? Small is a word that is describing the noun sparrow. In the second picture, family is a noun. Happy is the word that is describing the family. Third one, butterfly is a noun. Beautiful tells more about the noun. Fourth one, TV is the noun. And smart tells more about TV. It's a smart TV. It's not an ordinary TV. Okay. So the words small, happy, beautiful, smart, all these are telling or giving more information about the noun. These words are called adjectives. Okay. So adjectives plays the main role or the major role in degrees of comparison. Okay. What is degrees of comparison is? Nouns are compared in different levels. An adjective takes different forms at different levels. What are different levels and how adjective changes? Let us see now. See, these are the three levels of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. I have given you few examples of adjectives and to show you how they change from positive to comparative and to superlative. For example, when you get sweet in positive degree, it will be changed as sweeter. You are adding er with the adjective. Then when you convert this, when you transform the same sentence to superlative, you will be adding est with the adjective. Slow is changed as slower. In superlative, it is slowest. Tall, taller, tallest. White, whiter, whitest. Brave, braver, bravest. Dark, darker, darkest. Large, larger, largest. But good, look at the word good. Is it changed to gooder? No. So few words are there where you have to change the entire word. Okay. When you get good, it should be changed to better. And in superlative, it is changed to best. And when you get well, it will be changed to better. And in superlative, it is best, bad, worse, worst, many, more, most. So like this, you will be changing the adjectives. See, these are few more adjectives where you will not add er or est with the adjective, but you will be adding more for comparative and most for superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Quickly, more quickly, most quickly. Talented, more talented, most talented. Nervous, more nervous, most nervous. Famous, more famous, most famous. Evil, more evil, most evil. Perfect, more perfect, most perfect. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. There are so many other adjectives also. When you start doing more and more exercises in degrees of comparison, you will get to know it. Okay, ma? See, this is a simple tabular column that shows three types of transformation. Type 1, type 2 and type 3. In type 1, there is only positive and comparative and there is no superlative. The reason is, in type 1, only two nouns are compared. The comparison doesn't exceed two objects, persons or place. That's why there is no superlative degree. Okay. Under type 1, you have two formulas. First formula is as plus adjective plus as comes in positive degree. In comparative, when you change that sentence, you have to use the formula not plus adjective plus than. Second type, not so plus adjective plus as comes means you have to use adjective plus than in comparative degree. This you will understand when you do the exercise. Okay, ma? In second type, you get superlative degree, and in third type also you get superlative degree. The reason is, second type and third type, more than one person, place or things are compared. Okay, that is the difference between type 1 and 2 and 3. Second type, the sentence begins with no other and than any other is a clue word you will get in comparative degree. The plus adjective will come in superlative degree. Third type, very few will be the beginning of a sentence. So by looking at very few and no other itself, you must be able to identify it is a positive degree sentence. When you convert that into comparative degree sentence, you will use the clue word than many other or than most other. And in superlative, one of the is the clue word that is used in type 3. Now look at this picture. A girl and a boy are reading books. They are very smart. So I am going to use the adjective smart. Under type 1, you have one formula. As plus adjective plus as will come for positive degree. Not plus adjective plus than will come for comparative degree. So how will you write a sentence? Rani is as smart as Ravi. Both are intelligent. No one is high or no one is low. So first sentence tells Rani is smart as Ravi. So how do you identify this is a positive degree sentence? First you identify the adjective. Smart is the adjective. See whether any ER is added to it. No. See whether EST is added. No. See whether more or most is added. No. Nothing is added. Just the adjective is given. As well as is also given. So you can easily identify it is a positive degree sentence. By looking at this formula, as plus adjective plus as, you can identify it as type 1 sentence. So how will you change that to comparative degree sentence? The one thing you must keep in mind is, when you change a positive degree sentence to comparative or any other degrees, meaning of the sentence should not change. Okay, keep in mind, meaning of the sentence should not change. Now I am going to compare Ravi with Rani, but I have to use this formula. So how will I do that? Ravi is not. You have to bring the not here. Not. What is the adjective for smart in comparative? Smarter. Smarter than Rani. I have brought the subject at the back. Now you read and see there is no change in the meaning. This sentence, comparative degree sentence, also tells that both are equal in smartness. Like this you have to change a sentence. Now coming to the second picture, what do you see? It's a gold ornament. Okay. Suppose I am going to compare this gold with iron using the adjective costly. What happens in type 1 is what we are going to see now. Okay. Under type 1, another formula is not so plus adjective plus as. That will be changed to adjective plus than in comparative degree. Okay. So how to frame a sentence? Iron is not so costly as gold. Okay. So you are talking about iron, you are using the formula not so plus adjective. What is the adjective? Costly as gold. When you convert that to comparative, you should not change the meaning of the sentence. So keep that in mind. So you have to bring gold to the front. Okay, gold becomes a subject here. Gold is, what is the comparative adjective for costly? Costlier. Costlier than iron. The first sentence you are comparing iron with gold. In the second sentence you are comparing gold with iron without changing the meaning of the sentence. And you have also used the formula correctly. Okay, this is type 1. Now let's go for type 2, degrees of comparison. What do you see in the picture? It's a picture of a hippopotamus, rhinoceros and bear. See, in type 2, more than 2 nouns are compared. That's why in type 2 you will have positive degree, comparative and superlative. Okay. Okay, and if I use the adjective strong, which is the strongest of all? Absolutely, it's hippopotamus. Now we are going to frame sentence in type 2 using these 3 formulas. In positive degree, the sentence should begin with no other. In comparative, you have to use this than any other as clue word without changing the meaning. In superlative, you have to use the plus superlative adjective without changing the meaning. Okay, let's start doing it. No other animal is as strong as hippo. Okay, how to find out this is a positive degree sentence? The sentence is beginning with no other. It is also using the formula as plus adjective plus as. It means it is a positive degree sentence. When you convert this to comparative, you first think of what we are talking about in positive degree. Hippo is the subject matter, right? So you bring hippo to the first place. Hippo is, what is the adjective for strong in comparative? Stronger. Hippo is stronger, and use the clue word than any other animals. Easy. So you have changed it to comparative without changing the meaning. When you change it to superlative, hippo is, the est is the formula, no, is the strongest animal. Easy. This is type 2. Now let's see type 3. What do you see in this picture? A kangaroo, cheetah and tiger. In type 3 also, more than 2 nouns are compared. So that's why in type 3 you have positive degree, comparative and superlative. Suppose I am talking about the adjective fast. Which animal is the fastest of all? Cheetah. Yes, and kangaroo is next to cheetah and tiger takes the third place. Okay, but still cheetah is the fastest of all animals actually. So now let's start framing the sentence with the adjective fast using the formulas in type 3. Very few animals are as fast as cheetah. How to identify as positive degree sentence? Look at the beginning of the sentence. It is beginning with very few. As plus adjective plus as clue words are used. So this is positive degree sentence. And what is the subject matter we are talking about? Cheetah. And what is the quality we are talking about? Fast. Okay. So keep all those things in mind. And now when you convert this to comparative, you have to bring the subject matter we are talking to the first place. Cheetah is faster. You have to use the comparative form of the adjective faster and use the clue word than many other animals. Now look, there is no change in the meaning of the sentence. When you convert this to superlative, cheetah is one of the, is the clue word we are using, fastest animals. Okay, one more thing you have to keep in mind is whenever one of the comes, it should be followed by plural noun. You cannot say one of the fastest animal since we are talking about one. One of the fastest animals. It should be in plural. Okay, children? Hope you understood degrees of comparison clearly. You keep this tabular column in mind and start doing the exercise in worksheets. Okay, so that you will understand better. If you have any doubts, please call me, ma. Thank you.